In today's video, we are going to talk about model number in a mobile phone. We are going to talk about the definition of model number and some of these phones and their model number. So let's go. What's a model number? Model number can be defined as a combination of letters, digits, characters representing the manufacturer, brand, design, or performance of an appliance or a gadget. Again, model number can be defined as a combination of letters, digits, character representing the manufacturer, brand, design, or performance of an appliance or a gadget. So below are some of the phones with their model number. So let's outline those phones. Number one on the screen there is KE5. KE5 is the model number of Spark Go 2021. 2. KA7. KA7 is the model number of Spark 2. KA7, it is Spark. LA7P is Povo 2 Pro. KB8 Spark 3 Pro. KB7 Spark 3. KC8 Spark 4. X650 Hot 8. X657C Smart 5 Lite. X559 Hot 5. X559C Hot 5 Lite. X657 Smart 5. X606 Hot 6. B1F Pop 2F. B1P Pop 2 Power. So those are some model of a mobile phone. So in my next video, I'll be updating you on another model of another phone, maybe the Itel product or other product. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Follow us on TikTok, follow us on Facebook. Thank you for sticking with us to the end of the video. Bye.